In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the form ID in Klaviyo. First, log into your Klaviyo account. From the left-hand side menu, click on Sign Up Forms. This page displays all the forms you have previously created. Locate the specific form for which you want the form ID. Do not click to open it. Instead, click the three dots menu at the far right of that form's row. From the drop-down options, click Edit. This will open the form editing page. Now, look at your browser's address bar. In the URL, the form ID is the last part of the address after forms, followed by a slash. For example, if your URL ends with forms/abc, then ABC is your form ID. Highlight this section, right-click, and select Copy. You can now paste this ID wherever needed. This form ID is commonly used for manual integrations, especially if you are not using Shopify, Wix, or other platforms with automatic integration. It can also be useful when contacting Klaviyo's support team if you need to reference a specific form. By providing the form ID, you ensure the team knows exactly which form you are referring to. This is how you can quickly locate and share your Klaviyo form ID.